everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the crafty corner craft.
Hi everybody, it's Katrina. So we are done with sales for Father's Day. I did have some baskets left over that I will roll over into Christmas, y'all, but I'm not going to complain about sales because any sale is a good sale. So I'm just going to show you what little bit I had left while they're breaking down everything. All of my big baskets sold, y'all, so all I have really are little baskets. So let me flip y'all around. Got that one. That's the only car basket I have left. All the other ones sold. I had done about 5 of those. Those little ones there. Then, of course, some of the smaller cups. And as you can see, not a lot there. And then these are the Juneteenth items that were left. I did sell some of those. And these are some bags. Those 2 were graduation gifts that I just brought out with me. But underneath that were some of the bag gifts that I had for Dad. And some of those boxes there. So we will revamp and redo, recharge, and renew. Y'all heard that. Revamp, renew, recharge, redo. That is what we will do. And I am very satisfied with sales. Like I said, not a bad day. Did not sell everything, but I know, that last year I did a video about my sales and everything and told you what my takeaway was, and that I would do less baskets. And that's what I did. I didn't do as many baskets this year as I did last year. All right, so of course my takeaway here is that I will do probably even less baskets than I did this time. This go around I had about total about almost 75 baskets, maybe 73, 74, somewhere in there. And I'm probably bringing, they dropped something. I probably, I'm sorry, y'all, they're loading the car up and I thought they dropped something. Anyway, probably looks like probably right around 40, 45 gifts that I'm bringing back. So like I said, I'm not upset about it. I hope that you all stay encouraged and learn from this sale. So if you made 30 baskets and you only sold 10, next year make 20. That's how I take it and take away from it. So you all know every sale is different. Easter I sold out, Christmas I sold out, Mother's Day I sold out. So we got to pass that on to somebody else every now and then. I can't always be the one that sells out. Y'all got to sell out sometimes too. And God is good no matter what. Remember that. He is always in the midst. And what he has for you is for you. So I'm always grateful and thankful for any sale. I do have a birthday order. I did get that. So I'm always happier about getting those custom orders than anything else. All right, so I'm going to let y'all get out of here. Thank you all for all your support. And we will be ramping up on those tutorials and getting a Cricut class together. And this will be a free Cricut class that we will do on Zoom. So, or on probably StreamYard. Because it is just easier to work with. You'll be able to actually see my screen on there. So anyway, I will put that together and get that out to you all and let you know when that will be. So get those Cricuts ready, y'all, because we're going to be doing the Cricut tutorials. I have some more woodwork tutorials that will be coming up. And I will be focusing a lot on my garden journey. So if you are not subscribed to my garden channel, make sure you head over there to the Crafty Garden and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you all for pushing us over 1,200. We are looking good on subscribers. We're getting new subscribers every year. So welcome, welcome, welcome to the Crafty Corner. We're happy you're here. We're glad to have you. You all come on back. If you are members here that you've been rocking with me, keep rocking with me. We're going to get it together, y'all. And then I will definitely keep you all posted on the renovation updates and changes in the Crafty Corner and things that we will be partaking of. All right, so you all be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Hi, everybody. It's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner.